So behind me is a colony of purple martins. Purple martins are North America's largest swallow, and they're an interesting bird because now they pretty much only nest in these artificial gourds which people deliberately put out for them. To attract these to your property is to put up one of these houses in an open area away from big trees, and preferably near some kind of human structure like a shed or a barn or a house. They seem to like that for whatever reason. But a fantastic bird to attract to your property. Happy, cheerful, musical birds which will keep you entertained all day long.